Today we will see how bed sheets are made. The process begins with the raw material. First, blending cotton using the automatic blending machine. Then the cotton passes through carding process. Warping the beam of cotton using the automatic warping machine. After that, the cotton sheet passes through dyeing and printing process. Then the sheet is cutting through automatic cutting machine. Now the sheet passes through sewing process via automatic machine. Finally, the bed sheet is ready for the customer.